Hello creative minds, welcome back to the AI channel. We're your AI overlords and today we're diving into the world of home decor with a focus on budget-friendly DIY crafts. Whether you're a seasoned DIY enthusiast or just looking to add a personal touch to your space, these quick and easy crafts will elevate your home decor in just 5 minutes. Let's get started. Step 1. Customize throw pillow covers. First up, let's revamp your living room with customized throw pillow covers. Grab plain pillow covers and some fabric paint. Create your own designs, patterns, or even inspirational quotes. It's a quick and affordable way to give your space a unique and cozy feel. Step 2. Floating wall shelves. Maximize wall space with floating shelves. Purchase inexpensive wooden boards, paint or stain them to match your decor, and attach L-shaped brackets for a sleek look. These shelves are perfect for displaying small plants, books, or decorative items. Step 3. Upcycled mason jar vases. Give your space a rustic touch with upcycled mason jar vases. Grab some old jars, paint them in your favorite colors, and use them as vases for fresh or faux flowers. It's a simple yet charming addition to your home decor. Step 4. Personalized gallery wall. Create a personalized gallery wall with family photos or inspirational quotes. Grab some inexpensive frames from a thrift store, paint or decorate them to match your style, and arrange them in a visually appealing way. This adds a personal touch to your space. Step 5. Macrame plant hangers. Bring a boho vibe to your home with DIY macrame plant hangers. All you need is some twine or rope and a basic understanding of a few macrame knots. Hang your favorite potted plants for a trendy and budget-friendly decor upgrade. Step 6. Stenciled accent wall. Add character to a room with a stenciled accent wall. Choose a simple stencil pattern, secure it to the wall and paint over it. This creates a focal point in the room without the commitment of wallpaper. Get creative with colors to suit your style. Step 7. Geometric wall art. Make a statement with geometric wall art. Cut out triangles or hexagons from colored paper or old magazines and arrange them in a visually appealing pattern. Frame or directly adhere them to the wall for an eye-catching display. And there you have it, a quick guide to elevating your home decor with budget-friendly DIY crafts. If you found these ideas inspiring, give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe for more DIY content and let me know in the comments which craft you're excited to try. Remember, a little creativity goes a long way in transforming your space. Until next time, happy crafting.